Hello, I would like to introduce you to a new way of unlocking the supply chain. Our company, Northstar Digital Solutions, was created and launched in 2018 to service digital transformation initiatives for our transportation and supply chain clientele. NDS is a different type of digital provider. By utilizing state-of-the-art digital transformation technology lab and tools, leveraging our solid working relationships with industry leaders and best practices, coupled with highly talented solutions development teams, we were able to create our prepackaged digital solution product called LIET, linking information for transportation. This platform makes for a fully integrated product that becomes an extended part of the business DNA. Multiple digital technologies, the latest in cloud computing through hybrid AWS and our own hosted capabilities. We use the best-of-breed enterprise integration engines and automation-enabled platforms to drive the connected endpoints. Coupled with the very latest in mobile applications and IBM Hyperledger frameworks, we have integrated them for a seamless digital workflow that delivers optimum workflow efficiencies, seamless systems integration, speed, accuracy while reducing costs, while amplifying scalability, giving back the business a high degree of visibility and intelligence for an overall improved customer and employee experience. I would like to now introduce our Director of Software and Product Development, Avinash Nagendra, who will demo our client-facing tech layers of LIET. Hyperledger alongside our integration engine that provides a seamless flow of data throughout the LIET platform. And our Director of Automation Engineering and Business Connectivity, Meir Saktivel, who will demo the automation, KPIs, and mobile application layers of the LIET platform. Our motto, boosting human intelligence through artificial intelligence. We hope you enjoy the demo and look forward to hearing from you soon.
Transportation industry in general has been slow to adopt new technologies. Most carriers have legacy IT applications and infrastructure and hence are not digital. Upgrading these systems is complex, time-consuming, expensive and risky because of the inbuilt business logic, manual processes, multiple data formats and conversions. Each carrier uses a different set of technologies, hence integration between them is a challenge. This shows the complex nature of the systems and interactions in a transportation company, the different departments and players, technologies involved, and the interaction with both internal systems and users, as well as the external interaction with partners, brokers, and customers. There are business-to-business and application-to-application integrations between partners, customers, brokers, and the carrier systems. LIET enables seamless integrations, able to handle such complex interactions between these numerous systems in the supply chain. In order to streamline the supply chain, the architecture has to be robust, scalable, repeatable, and secure. Northstar Digital Solutions achieved this by architecting templated processes using robotic process automation and enterprise service bus, which form the core of LIET. Robotic process automation is useful when the legacy application does not have an application programming interface, can only be accessed by its UI elements, or if the system is highly customized. Otherwise, the connections are made through the API using the enterprise service bus. Northstar Digital offers an end-to-end integration of the entire supply chain from orders, document management, and invoicing for asset-based trucking, warehouse, and 3PL companies, carriers, and brokers. Today, optimizing process and operations through robotic process automation and API connectivity is a game changer. Northstar Digital's business connectivity templates has reduced software development life cycles which took 2 to 3 months to just 1 to 2 weeks from carrier to carrier and carrier to broker integrations. This was achieved by using the loosely coupled LIET architecture, providing low risk and high value integrations. Here is a demonstration of our LIET platform that leverages Hyperledger, enterprise service bus, and robotic process automation to provide end-to-end freight management between carriers. Orders come in via API, EDI, web or email channels, managed via application programming interfaces and the enterprise service bus and automation processes. Documents being processed and generated, and finally the tracking capability of the order and the documents available on our universal document management system. Reconciliation is immediate via smart contracts on the blockchain, and the shipment is invoiced as soon as a proof of delivery is received. Handing it off to my colleague Meir Saktivel.
We will now further look into the automation and the mobile order management components of the LIET and see how they seamlessly work together to provide a paperless and an efficient way to go from order to customs clearance. Prior to automation, the necessary documents for order entry and customs processing were primarily sent via email. These would then be segregated and classified by manual effort and then sent forward to the data extraction team, who will then process it manually and enter it into our enterprise system. Once in the system, the order would go through further processing and communications would be sent out to the customers and reporting would be done. Overall, even though there was some level of automation present, it still required a significant amount of human intervention. We then augmented this process by applying the various technological components of the LIET platform, thereby allowing for the collection of documents using mobile technology, and also applying intelligent classification by analyzing the body of the email, the subject, the attachment, and the sender information to reduce the noise in terms of the emails the users have to go through. Machine learning based data extraction models were also developed to capture the data in a more discrete and digital format. This automated data extraction, coupled with our API pipeline capabilities, allowed for a fully digital integration with our enterprise system. Having data in a discrete and digital format further enables the application of predictive analytics and data mining to gather intelligent insights. Now we can see the transformed workflow, which has much more automated components, including mobile data scanning. This allows for the users to focus on the exceptions and put their energy towards engineering new solutions that will help their teams. Here we can see a report which shows the breakdown of the different users performing order entry. And we can see that their average time is all less than 3 minutes. And significant to note, the number of orders in retry is very low, indicating that they are not only being fast in terms of entering orders, but also being accurate. Here we see a snapshot of the customs processing email through a day. We can see that only about 20% of the emails needed to be reviewed manually, and the rest 80% were sent straight through to the broker. Since most of the complex tasks are handled by the bot, the users are able to go through the exceptions in a very quick manner, making them more efficient. Next, we will go over a quick demonstration of our automation and mobile order management platform. The flow starts with the load tenders being processed by our order entry workflow. Here we see the control tower of our automation platform. This gives a consolidated view of all the processes that are running. Getting into one of the processes, we can see the individual bots that constitute the workflow. The flow starts with email ingestion, going on to classification, information extraction, data capture, API integration, and document capture. If manual review is required based on the extraction confidence level, there is a fully integrated manual task environment. Here the users can review the data and push it back into the workflow. So once the order is created, it is then dispatched onto our mobile order management platform. Here the driver is able to update the order statuses, capture the different documents necessary such as invoices, proof of delivery, and bill of lading. In addition to the mobile user interface, we also offer a web-based dispatcher user interface. This would give the dispatcher a full picture of the fleet at a given time. The document captured by the driver are automatically categorized by the document type, and the customs paperwork goes into our customs processing automation workflow. Here the process is similar to order entry, wherein we perform classification, extraction, exceptions being handled by humans, and then the documents get sent to the broker. Also, note that the data that is being extracted throughout this process is being captured in a discrete manner and can be used for reporting and other integration purposes.
Thank you.